Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine, students. Now, in these days, we all are staying at home. You all know why? Because a virus has spread COVID-19, means coronavirus. You all know that it is very dangerous. So please stay at home. I know all of you are feel very bored, so that's why I am making this video for you. Students, let's start our today's session. Today we will learn about water resources. Water resources like river gives us water, ponds, there are many sources of water. Sea, it gives us water. Sea has salt, fish, and many plants also. Okay, students.
Let's do an activity. Count the balls and write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Right? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 7. Okay? Now open your book. I can achieve.
I can achiever level 5, page 42. Students, color the water droplets and add them. Write the total number in the blanks. Students, you can color sky blue because water has sky blue. Okay? Count the droplets of water. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, how many water droplets are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Next, how many water droplets are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Write 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. Write 7. Students, open your workbook, page number. Open 103. Students, count the stars and add up the total. Okay, firstly count the blue stars, then total, then count the red stars. How many red stars are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. Now count the green stars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Good. Next brown stars. Then count blue, dark blue and yellow stars. Students, write the numbers and add up. Okay? Students, let's see the water cycle. Students, you can see the water in the sea. When it warm up due to the sunlight. When sunlight falls on the water, it warm up the water and evaporate it. It becomes evaporate. Due to the evaporation, then it goes to the sky, then became the clouds, and in the rain form it comes down on the earth again, right? It is the water cycle. Do you understand?
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Good. Students, take one umbrella, a raincoat, and gumboots. Wear it and go in the rainy season, in the rainy day out. Raincoat and gumboots and an umbrella protects us from rain. Okay? Students, open page number 43. Look at the picture and read the action. We can use water. D-R-I-N-K, drink. B-R-U-S-H, brush. He is brushing his teeth. B-A-T-H, bath. He takes bath. P-L-A-Y, play. Next.
The boy is playing with the ball.
Good. W-A-L-K, walk. He is walking. No need of water here. Next. R-E-A-D, read. She needs water.
No, ma'am.
Good. D-R-A-W, draw. He needs water.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For coloring, he use water. Next, T-A-L-K, talk.
The girl and boy is talking.
They needs water.
No, ma'am.
Good. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. She needs water.
No, ma'am.
Good. Then E-A-T, eat.
She needs water.
Good. L-A-U-G-H, laugh.
She does not
Need water. Good. Students, open page 44. Very good. See here. J-U-M-P, jump. He needs water.
No, ma'am.
Good. Girl is skipping. She needs water.
No, ma'am.
W-R-I-T-E, write. She needs water for writing.
No, ma'am.
R-U-N, run. S-T-A-N-D, stand. D-A-N-C-E, dance. S-I-T, sit. S-I-N-G, sing. Students, open page 45. Match the picture to the correct word. One has been done, right? In first picture, what is the man doing?
Man is reading the newspaper.
Good. In second pic, the clown is, what is the clown doing?
Clown is jumping.
Clown is jumping. Match the clown with jump. Next, girl is doing what?
Girl is sipping.
Sipping. Very good. Match with S-I-P, sip. Next, what is chef doing?
Chef is cooking the food.
Cooking the food. Spelling of cook?
C-O-O-K, cook.
Match with cook. Next, what is the man doing?
Man is writing something.
Writing. Spelling of writing?
W-R-I-T-E, write.
Match with write. Students, open page 57 of workbook. Students, see the picture. Begin reading the sentence with I can aloud and then circle the correct word associated with the picture. Firstly, see the picture. I can eat or stand.
Eat.
Good. In the next week, I can
Dance.
dance. Yes. Next week, I can
Sing.
sing. He is singing. I can
Run.
run. Very good. Boy is running. Next week,
I can sleep.
sleep. SLEEP. Sleep. Circle the sleep. Students, circle the every word properly. Firstly, see the picture, then circle the word. Okay? Students, after doing this, sit with your family members and talk about the session. In this session, you have learned so many things, like you have learned about the water cycle, sources of water, and many more things. Students, wash your hands before and after every meal. Brush your teeth twice a day. Don't eat candies. Students, put the rubbish in the dustbin. Don't throw here and there. Students, play inside. Don't fight with your siblings. Play with your friends and siblings and practice the rhymes you have learned in your previous sessions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.